Good morning. I'm coming to you from Durham, North Carolina, the home of Duke University. We ain't here to see no Blue Devils. We're here to see a blue train, potentially. We're here at the Amtrak Station. As you can see, the tracks literally right out here behind me. Station building looks like it's right over here to the right. So we're gonna go and see what this place is all about. Give you a little tour of the area. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed before we do that. All right, guys, you hit that subscribe button? Did you? All right, you did. Let's go. All right, let's go make some memories. So here's the platform over here. I don't know if we're going to be able to get out to it, so I'll probably just show it to you from the grass. Because usually, I mean, there's a sidewalk right there that leads to it. But I don't want to get booted out before I've even made contact with any employees, so let's see what this place looks like. This says no trespassing. Usually that's how it tends to be. So here's your platform here, end of it there, and then going down this direction. Maybe I'll get a chance to sneak up there because I do see like the wheelchair lift and stuff too. So I just don't know if we're gonna get there, but we're gonna go in the building and see what we can find inside here. So this big huge building here is where the Amtrak station is. This looks like this portion of it here is the Amtrak station. The other parts down there look like they're used for something else. Not sure what, some sort of businesses. We're gonna go in here and check it out. Here's your sign there. And then it says their hours are 6:15 a.m. to 10 p.m. every single day. Alright, so here's what the station looks like inside. Check this place out.
Beautiful.
Yeah, this reminds me of that one we saw yesterday.
Beautiful.
360 of the area. No, this is really cool. We got some old train equipment here, some luggage carts. They got a lot of old pictures of the city up here. All kinds of cool stuff in here. I see something that is catching my interest over here. Check this out. Bull Durham smoking tobacco. Also the name of the movie, Bull Durham, the baseball movie. And a copy of the most famous baseball card, Honus Wagner from Pittsburgh. That's the most valuable baseball card that exists. Check this out. So we got water fountains back here. What else is back here? Oh, okay, vending's back here. You got vending machines for sodas, a bunch of different snacks. See, how much is a Pepsi? $3 for a Pepsi, 20 ounce, not too bad. A little area here where you can set your stuff. You can charge some stuff here as well. Let's see what else we got in here. Ticket counter. Oh, I like this old clock up here. I gotta get a picture of that. Gotta get a picture of this clock. I like that. Baggage tags, baggage claim. Down here. That's so cool. And here's the platform out here. Let me see, I can actually look out the door and see it. Oh, here's the baggage tags. We have those at home already. And then here's the platform out this way. Walk back out there when we leave, I guess. Southern Railway train bulletin. Goldsboro to Greenboro. And the lady here said this was a old tobacco warehouse building. Oh yeah. Sorry, it was sitting right in front of me. This was the thing where you can weigh your baggage to see how much it is. Make sure you're not over that 50-pound limit.
Did you see the baggage in there?
Yeah, I went back all the way around there. Huh? We can go this way though, back to the car.
Huh? Oh, okay. As long as it opens up.
Yeah. No, so the lady that worked here said this was an old tobacco like warehouse, and they converted it into the train station. It's really cool. I love
They
this
kept the
station.
old ones, yeah.
Yeah, this is really cool.
Very nice. Liggett and Myers, that's what she said. Liggett and Myers.
Liggett and
Tobacco
Myers.
Company. All of this was together.
All this was tobacco company?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, they call this Tobacco Row, this area of North Carolina. Because when Duke plays North Carolina, a lot of times they'll say it's the battle on Tobacco Road. So here's what it looks like, a little 360 from out here by the platform. I spotted the wheelchair lift right there. And that's the area around here. I like this station. This one's really cool. I like when they repurpose the old buildings like we always said. And in this case, it wasn't repurposing a train station, it was repurposing a tobacco building. And they kept it and made it into a station. This is has a lot of character here for sure. Alright guys, so this is going to wrap up our visit here from the Amtrak station in Durham, North Carolina. What'd you guys think of this one? It's a quick little visit, but we enjoyed this one a lot. If you like our train content, you like our Amtrak station tours, we've got over 100 of them on a playlist on our channel. Go ahead and find that. Leave us some comments on those videos that you watch as well. Let us know which one's your favorite. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Leave us a comment down below if you've ever traveled to Durham. You could travel on the train here and then catch a ride and go catch a Duke football game or a Duke basketball game. That'd be actually a pretty cool experience. Might be something I'll have to do in the future. Alright, on that note, we will see you down the road. See you on the rails. Also, if you like our content, click on this video next. It may surprise you. Alright guys, we'll see you soon.